Yes, people, do you want to know how to fix any bug in Instagram? And there are a lot of bugs. You can do two things. You can first go to the App Store. And here I am in the App Store. And you go look if your Instagram is updated. Yes, we search for Instagram. And we see the button open. So if you see the button open, you know there is no available update in Instagram. Well, if you still have a lot of bugs, then you can do the following thing. You go to settings, yes, and then you go to general, yes, and then you go to iPhone storage. Yes, and then it will load and you search for Instagram and then you tap on offload the app. You tap offload the app. It takes a while and then you reinstall the app. Yes, so you can reinstall it and your data will be it will be still in the app. It doesn't remove any data or documents or pictures or whatever. It just offloads the app. Yes, so if this doesn't work, and the last option I can give you is the following: you will delete the app. Yes, so if there are remaining bugs on the Instagram app, you delete the app. Yes, you tap on delete the app and this action can't be undone, of course, and you can install it again. For now, I tap cancel and I go back to my home screen and, let me know in the comments what kind of problems you see in Instagram and what for bugs you see in Instagram, and I go do a research for you guys and I will come up with the solutions as soon as you will start to post problems. I will research it and I will post it for you. Yes, thanks and see you in the next one. Bye bye.